Hello Sanibonani, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, angikho right. I am not all right. Social distancing has taken all my jobs away from me. I am not working, guys. I had some good jobs that have been cancelled because of social distancing. So I have not been all right. A lot of us performers, we need an audience in order to perform. So social distancing means we are not essential workers, guys. Maybe I should have been a nurse, or I should have worked at supermarkets, go and say plastic, because I am not working. And it doesn't look like, even if a lockdown does come to an end, we're gonna go back to performing immediately. And the worst thing is that with us, especially stand-up comedians, I cannot speak about other professions. March is our pick-up month because January everyone is broke. February we do 1 or 2 shows, 3 shows because of Valentine's Day. Around Valentine's, people start spending on entertainment. And then March, that's when we start working. When this thing happened, I was on tour. I was in Alabama. Guys, and I've been looking through my footage, looking at the stuff that I've done, because I try to share as much as I can, but I can't share everything because like I'm literally on the road all the time. So in this video, I just want to share with you the last party I did. It was my first time doing a 16th birthday party, but I thought, let me just challenge myself and do it, because sometimes when I get invited to do things, I refuse them because I think they're out of my, they just not for me. They're not my portion. But I did this one and it was actually very nice. I really enjoyed it. It was in the USA, in Pennsylvania. I hope you enjoy it. Watch the video and enjoy. I'm going to look through my archives and try and edit as much stuff as I can. And I hope you will enjoy the stuff that I'll put for you. And I'm going to start going on live because now I'm free. 24/7. I'm at home. Have nothing else to do other than come on here and spend my time with you guys. So I'll be doing a lot of live shows, and I'll be inviting some of my friends to go live with. If you have not joined me, please do join me for my Instagram masterclasses. I go live on Instagram every night at 11 South African time, 11 p.m. South African time. Please do join. Enjoy the video.
This is my sister Jane, and we are going to be your MCs for tonight. Please take your seats. The bathrooms are this way, to the left. And in case of an emergency, please do not follow us. We will also be panicking. I suggest you use the stairs to go down. And when you get outside, sort yourself out.
I really appreciate all these people coming out for me, and I love every single person that came. Thank you.
All right, you make us all very proud. You know, everything you do, school, friends, behavior, you know, we're really happy that you're blossoming to this beautiful flower that you are. And we can't wait to see what the future has in store for you. Your parents are very happy, you know, and we're happy. And 2 more birthdays. Happy 16th to Tapiwa!
The best part for me is when they do the candle ceremony. I just think that is so beautiful.
Thank you.
Hi guys! One of the things that comes with having 216 is the 216 candle speeches. I'm trying to make this quick for y'all. And I'm so grateful for the wonderful mom too. I truly won the mom lottery and I love you so much. So please come up here and stuff your candle.
No.
always putting up with my crazy, and I know that we don't have the best of times, but thank you for always trying. And I know you are. Sometimes you're not on the best days every day, but you try harder and harder to be the best dad you can be. And I truly appreciate it, and I love you so much. Please come here and give me one.
Looking back, I'm thinking, you know what? When things go back to normal, I will never refuse another job. Anything that comes my way, not just for money, but also for experiences. Because it's so often we say, no, not yet. I'll do it another time, but we do not know what tomorrow holds. This lockdown and this, yes, it's shown us flames, guys. It's shown us how things can change in an instant. Like, it literally changed in an instant. And please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button so that you can be notified every time I upload a video.